Sequins is a trendy fabric that can be used in a variety of projects, from decor to crafts and apparel. But while it is beautiful and great for adding lots of sparkle and dimension to your product, sewing sequins can be a little tricky. Here are 3 methods to help you through it. Never cut your sequin material with fabric scissors. It will ruin them. And always pick a needle that is thin and very sharp. Use the longest stitch length your machine will allow for. For the first method, use scissors, a seam ripper, or your fingers to separate the sequins along the line where you will be sewing. Sew, and then iron the seam open by using a press cloth and a low heat setting on your iron. This method is great for decor and crafts as it creates a flat and clean seam. The second method is best for apparel as it adds a layer of protection so the individual sequins don't feel scratchy. Place your pieces on top of each other with the right sides facing. Use a 1-inch strip of lightweight fabric, like chiffon, and place it on the wrong side of the fabric, then sew using a 1/2-inch seam allowance. Fold the chiffon over and zigzag stitch to the inside of the seam. Open the fabric up and hand stitch the seam allowance to one side. The last method can be used for many applications, but mostly when the seam is not going to be fully visible on the finished product or when you will be adding a zipper. Using a seam ripper, tear out the sequins along the line you will be sewing. Sew as you normally would. If your seam is wide enough, iron using a press cloth. And now you're ready to tackle your next sequin project.